Hello Sherry, welcome. First of all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrino. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, and if you're not here, girl, welcome back. Okay, let's get into the hair. Y'all, I love this hair. It's Zion. Took me 2 hours. I know they look like individuals, but it's crochet. It's crochet. Didn't have to do nothing. Straight backs, crochet them in. But do you see the material? Well, some of these things is like, I don't even gotta say, you just gotta see. You just gotta see. I'm feeling myself. I know this pink bag hates to see me coming, because every time I get it, my hair gonna be done. Do you see why I keep working with EayonHair though? The hair speaks for itself. The quality is really good. The hair don't smell. This is the hair I did it. I haven't put anything in it. No water, no mousse, no gel, no nothing. This is what you're getting. What more do you want? I could not wait to put this hair in, and honestly the wait was worth it because the hair looks absolutely amazing. Y'all know I've had locks before, and locks are very hard to take out. That's just what it is. I don't know what it is with locks, but you're gonna need some help. This is crochet, so you ain't gotta worry about that. Just start from the back and unbraid, and the locks will be falling out, and then you can reuse them because this is human hair. We don't play over here. We don't play about reusing, especially with its prices. Okay, enough of this rumbling. Let's just get into how I achieved this look. This is very easy. You can do this at home, and if you don't know how to cornrow or braid, ask somebody else to do it for you, because this is very easy, y'all, and reusable. Heavy on the reusable, y'all. Heavy. Let's get into the tutorial. Y'all, if you hear any sound, I'm sorry about that. I'm really gonna try my best to talk over it, but there's people in the house. Y'all, I recorded a whole section of me putting this in, but the video was super dark. You couldn't even see anything. But I'm not gonna let that ruin my mood because I already know I'm about to look cute. Look at this. Oh honey, yeah. Oh my god, I saw this method on TikTok. Normally when I do my crochet, I just do straight backs going down, but I saw this method on TikTok where the girl was doing like individual braids and then connecting them. Hello? Very clever, I'm not gonna lie. So I did that and I love it. It literally looks like a single individual lock, but it's crocheted in. And yeah, so this is the hair. I have 3 packs of EayonHair. I will link down below the texture and the length, and everything will be linked down below because sometimes I forget what type of hair it is and I say the wrong hair. I just don't want to do that. I'm just gonna double check and put it down in the description, but if I do remember, I'll write it down when I'm editing, so it's gonna be down below. But yeah, so let me show y'all how I did this. Go ahead and grab your lock and a crochet hook, and basically you're just gonna get your hook and press it under in one of the boxes, and then out of the opening part you're just gonna slide it in, close the hook, and pull the hair through. All right, once you do that, I like to put the hook back in, and then I grab the end, and that's what I put on the hook, and then close it. Close it, and then just pull it right through. And then you're just gonna pass it through. Pass it through. Oh, honey. Oh. I'll go ahead and show you guys how the back looks. Now I know the back is not the best looking, but I don't even know how it looks, so I don't know why I'm saying. I just assume it looks bad because I did not check how it looks. But I'm gonna crochet a lot of hair at the back. You're not gonna be able to see it. That's why I really did not pay detail to any of that this time. But yeah, as you can see, we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back. All right, y'all. And love is an understatement, guys. Oh my goodness. And this did take me a little longer than I thought, but that's because you gotta have patience, because sometimes when you're crocheting in, since it's boho, like some of the hair gets stuck in the crochet hook, but be patient. But oh my god, island girl. Hey, I love it. So I was looking to the side. I did a side part, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks in the middle part as well. Okay. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the back. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I wish I had 4 packs. And you know what's crazy? I had a 4th pack, but I didn't pack it because the hair looked so full, and I was like, no, it's gonna be good. But I wish I brought the 4th pack. So when I get back home, I'm gonna put the 4th pack in. If you don't like your hair too full, this is pretty good. You can see. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put the 4th pack in. It looks so good. Let's do a middle part. Let me see if I keep looking sideways. There's a mirror there. Look. It's tea. Ooh. I'm about to wear it out tomorrow. I think I'm gonna wear it in. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear it in a half up, half down. Let me see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna wear it like this tomorrow. Y'all, this is tea. I love it. I love it. I love it. EayonHair, y'all did that, but like y'all was still good hair, don't care. If it's one thing I'ma trust, they're gonna come through with the hair, okay? Anyways, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much. If you have any questions, as always, please leave them down below. I will answer every question to the best of my ability. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, chérie.